Hey, this is Chris with Canvas Hardware, and I'm here to show you the initial assembly for the B2 Essentials bundle. Let's get to it. Okay, so to get started here, we're going to go ahead and start putting the pieces together. I've separated these into pieces that correspond to different parts of the system, so we'll start with the easiest one, which would be the heat stand. So you will receive a 3-inch threaded base, and you'll also receive an insulated heat post, and this simply goes threaded into it. This is a safety stand, so it's definitely a necessity to have in the bundle. The second one will be your bowl. You get the shovel head bowl with a titanium screen in it, pre-installed. And then you will also receive an 18mm and a 14mm post. Now obviously you'll use either one of these depending on what kind of glass you have. In this case I'll have 18mm rig. I put the post in first, then shovel head in second, and then I tighten onto the post third. What this will allow to do is to have the whole assembly together, and it's fitted to your rig. So now it's worth mentioning here that this also applies to the injector bundle, only the injector bundle will have a different diffuser. A different diffuser will have this diffuser instead of this, but it's filled in the same way and it assembles the same way. Also, your bowl will not be this shovel head, but it will be a glass bowl like this. So that's how you would choose it. In another video I'll explain the injector thoroughly. But anyway, let's go on to the head here. So to assemble the head, we'll have to fill it with ruby pearls. Okay. First I'll put the head on a safe spot. You can use a dish as well so that you have somewhere to contain whatever balls fall out. But I'll simply start filling in the diffuser with these ruby pearls. Make sure that none end up in this channel where the coil sits, because that's bad news. Your coil will be stuck. So you go ahead and fill this as much as you can, like so. You can probably see it there. Then you're going to line up your dab top with your coil, like so. It has a little slit in there, so that will be able to line it up nicely. As you hold it onto the coil, you're very carefully going to lift the diffuser, and then it should thread in from the bottom like this. Alright, there's definitely plenty of room left in there, so we're going to go ahead and finish filling the balls one by one through the intake hole. Alright, well, now that I've finished filling up the balls through the intake, go ahead and place my dish and then retain it all with the B2 nut. Everything has to be only finger tight. It doesn't have to be super tight. So now our head is assembled. And our coil will then be able to get plugged in to the back of your controller. Alright, and this is what it should look like once you're assembled and ready to go. Thanks for watching.